Time for the business. Joined on set by Karis Garland, starting in the US, where regulators have sued the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange and its CEO. Karis, tell us more.
So the US Securities market watchdog filed 13 charges against Binance and its CEO, Changpeng Zhao, accusing the platform of violations amounting to an extensive web of deception. The SEC alleges Binance artificially inflated its trading volumes, diverted customer funds, operated as an unregistered exchange, and misled investors about its market surveillance controls. It comes after another US financial agency sued the crypto exchange in March. Well, in a statement, Binance's offshore trading platform said it was disappointed and disheartened by the latest lawsuit, saying, "We intend to defend our platform vigorously. Unfortunately, the SEC's refusal to productively engage with us is just another example of the Commission's misguided and conscious refusal to provide much-needed clarity and guidance to the digital asset industry." Well, the air travel industry, meanwhile, will see a near record number of passengers this year. According to the airline sector's trade body, companies will welcome 4.3 billion people on board. That's compared to just over 4.5 billion in 2019. The increased travel demand is helping return the industry to profit. The IATA more than doubled its profit forecast from $4.7 billion to $9.8 billion, though the industry will see slender margins.
That sounds like a bit, and it is a big figure, but when you consider that that's off a revenue base of over 800 billion, it represents a net margin of about 1.2%, or in simple terms, about $2.25 per passenger, which is less than the price of a cup of coffee, a subway ticket.
India and the United States have agreed on a roadmap for defence cooperation over the next few years, a move expected to bolster New Delhi's defence manufacturing ambitions. Washington sees stronger military and technology ties with New Delhi as a key counterweight to China's dominance in the region, while the deal will also help India reduce its reliance on key arms supplier Russia. Shirley Sitbon reports.
India has ushered in a new era of peace and prosperity under
inaugurations of new defense production sites, air combat, sea and land mobility, intelligence, surveillance and reconnaissance. Every opening is celebrated nationally as a breakthrough for India. And the government hopes to accelerate production even more with the latest deal sealed with the U.S. on Monday.
Today, the U.S.-India partnership is a cornerstone of a free and open Indo-Pacific. And so on this visit, I'm pleased that we have taken new steps to strengthen our defense partnership.
Facing strained relations with China in recent years and various security threats, India has increased its military budget, reaching $81 billion in 2022. It's the world's biggest importer. Production at home has been ramped up, $12 billion of weapons in 2022. The idea is to produce as much as possible in India and to get access to cutting-edge technology. Boosting production and diversifying imports means India would not depend as much on Russian weapons. The share of its Russian imports has dropped from 62% to 45% in the past decade. Still, it remains Russia's top client. Meanwhile, its purchases of Russian oil have increased since the beginning of the war in Ukraine.
Let's take a look at how the markets fared this Monday. The major indexes on Wall Street edged lower following their best week since March. The Dow Jones closed about 0.2% lower, the S&P 500 down 0.2%, and the Nasdaq trading relatively flat, about 0.1% lower. And finally, Apple has unveiled its long-rumored augmented reality headset, the company's most significant product launch since the Apple Watch in 2015. The Vision Pro will set customers back $3,499, more than 3 times the cost of the priciest headset in Meta's line of mixed and virtual reality devices. Apple CEO Tim Cook says the device allows users to see, hear, and interact with the digital content just like it's in their physical space.
I believe that augmented reality is a profound technology. Blending digital content with the real world can unlock experiences like nothing we've ever seen. So today, I'm excited to announce an entirely new AR platform with a revolutionary new product.
Well, maybe we'll get to test run that soon.
I was going to say, it'd be fun to try it, but not fun to pay for it. Quite expensive, yeah?
agree.
Karis, thank you very much indeed. Karis Garland there with All the Business. Great to see you.